beef enchiladas like you've probably never had. I've had this, but this cook right here, I'm fixing to show you, it's with LITOS enchilada seasoning mix, and I'm going to leave a link to it down below because the LITOS COCINA enchilada mix and those 3 different taco mixes are awesome. That's right. But today's cook, I'm copying my buddy Panchito down South Texas. That'd be El Sazon Filegos. I stay connected with him on texting because he speaks in Spanish, and so when he makes an awesome video, I watch the whole thing, and it's like, I've got to make that. So today is that kind of a video. I'm copying his video, and I'll leave a link at the end to his video where he makes what I'm fixing to make, okay? Beef enchiladas with litoscocina. That's right. We're going to get the roux going now. I'll see you over there. It's Papatexas. Papa's Kitchen. Yeah. You want more videos? Subscribe. Hit that thumbs up and you'll get notified. Yeah. Alright, 1/3 cup of lard. You're going to love this, y'all. You're going to love it. 7 tablespoons of litoscocina. This is going to be a roux. Alright, this is going to be a nice, easy. Let's turn that heat down a little bit. We got 2 more ingredients to add to make our roux. Let's get that fire turned down low for right now. Alright, I moved over off the heat because I got a little too hot. Now we're going with a 1/2 cup of flour. We got 1 more ingredient. I'm going to whisk that in there. This is going to be awesome, y'all. You're going to love this. Check that out. I hope y'all can see that on camera like that. Ain't that cool? Get it all mixed in there. And then we'll go with the last ingredient here, and we'll get right back over there on that hot side. Our last ingredients. 3.5 cups of water. What's going to happen here, this is going to cook down to make our roux, to make our beef enchiladas. Now look at how that roux has thickened up. Isn't that awesome? We're going to go with 1/2 an onion. Or what some people might do, or like what Panchito did, he put the other half on top of his enchiladas. Let's kick in on the roux. Check it out. See what I'm saying, man? You gotta stay on top of this thing. Oh, it's thickening up nicely. I say I've got it on medium, or I've got it on low right now. Alright, we're gonna go with 1/2 pound of hamburger meat. Like I said, I'm using Panchito's recipe. I would have, well, we'll see, because this is going to go in the roux. You're going to love these enchiladas. Beef enchiladas. Alright, so we got that hamburger meat. As you can see, it's nice and cooked. And what we do is we add it to the roux. Alright, we're almost done. We're almost done for some goodness. Look at that. This smells really good. This will be the pan that we use to light fry the tortillas. That's our next step. I'm not going to clean it out. Ain't going to hurt. Alright, so we're going to blend that in. This roux is setting up, man. You got to stay on top of it. I need my helpers here to keep stirring for me while I cook. Oh, and this is thickening up nicely. Look at that. Oh, this is going to be awesome. Woo, a little high. Turn that down just a little bit. Alright, on that tortilla. You do know. There's one side you fold in and there's one side you don't. I'm going to show you that answer here in a minute. That is all she wrote for that enchilada. Alright, so I will be doing the rest of these enchiladas. Alright. See that side versus that side? This is the side you will twirl up, not that side. Did you know that? All right, we'll do the rest of these. I don't know, we're gonna do about 16, 17 of them. And I'll put them on the cooling rack right now. All right, there's that roux. I really need to be stirring that, but we're just gonna move on right now. We're good. You know I'm gonna have to go over there and make me some tortilla chips. Little tortilla chips. Yeah, that's the way Papa rolls. All right, let's get this thing going. All right, I told you there's one way. Oh, I can't tell which one. This one. All right, when you see those little lines when you're frying, that's the side you roll into. So you put the seam on the bottom. You know what? Let's go that way. All right. If there is nothing better than fried tortillas, corn tortillas. Okay, so I think y'all can see that. I'm going to show you one more. I'm using, I'll probably use 2 cups of cheddar. You'll see I use it 2 different ways. Let me get the rest of these going, and we'll be back and show you the next step. Yes, Papa. All right, to let you know, so this little pan here, this Pyrex, holds 17 tortillas. Yeah, perfect. I'll also let you know I ran out of cheddar. The cheddar in the house is for a cook that's being made later, and I'm not allowed to touch it. So I had to go over and I found a bag of Mexican cheddar jack, so I hope it doesn't mess it up. So what we do here, we just pour that roux. Look at that. Can y'all see that? There's my arm in the way. Hang on. Ugh. Look at that goodness. Just get it all over everything. We're going to use it all. If I can get... I'm holding it in an odd position for the camera. So, pardon me about that. It takes Papa a lot longer to cook when he's filming. Yeah. Smells fantastic. So, we're not done yet, folks. You're going to have to stay and see me plate this sucker up. We're not done. There's a couple more steps. Alright, we got that covered. Alright, so now what you do, we're going to put cheese goodness. Now this is where you could take the other half of your onion and put it on top, but I'm just not real big on onions like that. I like sauteed onions, but not like, I don't know, I eat street tacos that have some kind of rawish, but not tonight. Alright, so we're going to go with that. Next step, we're going to the smoker. Look at that goodness. Yeah. So, it's a little too high. It's about 370. But what we're going to do, woo! We're just going to put it in here to melt that cheese. You know, you can put some jalapenos on top of that. There's many things you can do. Next thing you're going to see is we're going to look at it and we're going to plate it up. I'm going to show you the awesomeness. Of course I made some homemade chips. Man, what do you do with the leftover corn tortillas? You got hot grease. Cook them. Oh, I got a video showing you how to do this if you need to know about it. If I remember, I'll link it at the end of this video. Look at that goodness. Alright, let's get it plated up and finish this video off. That looks awesome. Alright, we're going to turn it around. Oh, it's hot. I need my oven gloves. You know what, guys, on that oven glove, if you don't have one, I'm going to leave a link down below and it'll say oven glove. Get the 2-pack. And you know what? Mention it to your wife and go through my link. Costs you the same. It makes me a little bit of money, but I mean, I believe very much on using oven gloves, and I believe in using 2. Look at that. Let's do kind of one more like that. Let's do a taste test. Smells really good. Oh, my. Look at that goodness. Let's do the taste test. That is awesome. Alright, let's go in for it. Here we go. And I'm going to tell you one more time. Litoscocina enchilada seasoning. Right here. Or their taco seasonings are down below. Works awesome with queso. Works awesome with tacos, enchiladas. Here we go. Spot on. You make this, come back and tell me you made it, because you know it's going to be awesome. Litos. I want to thank my buddy, homemade chip. Panchito. I'll leave a link to him at the end. Litoscocina. Link to their website down below. Check them out. You will not be disappointed. Promise you. I am very impressed with this cook. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to my channel. Makes it easier for you. Got a playlist, Papa's Kitchen. You're welcome to go in there. Check out my videos, my cooking videos. I got my friends cooking. I got a playlist on that. You might even be in one of those. Papatexas on YouTube, Papatexas on Facebook, Papatexas5501 on Instagram. Keep up with Papa. Hit that bell. We will see you on the next one. It's Papa. Papatexas, Papa's Kitchen. See ya. Oh, check this out. Ah. That is awesome.